just saved $30 a month simply because I added 2 ounces of graphene to my Civic's engine. This is a report from a follower friend. I'm Mike, and I'm going to tell you folks, and you won't believe what happened with fuel consumption after 200 miles driven. The result was so absurd that I even thought the trip computer was malfunctioning. But wait, there's something else I discovered about the camshaft position sensor that proves all of this. Subscribe to the channel now because this test will completely change the way you take care of your engine. Folks, I promised I would drive 150 miles with the metal conditioner with graphene, but I ended up going over 200 because I wanted to be absolutely sure of the results. And look what happened. Fuel economy improved in a way that I honestly didn't expect. You must be thinking, but Mike, what does fuel economy have to do with metal conditioner, right? It's simple, folks. When you reduce friction between engine parts, you decrease internal resistance. Less resistance means the engine needs to work less hard to generate the same power. And when the engine works with less effort, it consumes less fuel. It's pure physics, my friends. Hit that like button if you're enjoying this, because there's still a lot of testing to show. Now, comment down below which metal conditioners you've already tested, because I want to know your real experience. And I'm going to reveal something that few people know. But before I show you the camshaft position sensor measurements, let me explain where the greatest wear on your engine really happens. Folks, the greatest engine wear happens during cold starts, especially when the car sits overnight. Why? Because the oil drains down to the oil pan and takes several seconds to circulate again through the engine galleries. During that time, the parts are practically without adequate lubrication. The camshaft sits there dry, waiting for the oil to come up. And it's exactly at that moment that metal conditioner makes all the difference. It creates a protective film that stays adhered to the parts even when oil isn't circulating. This film drastically reduces metal-on-metal friction on the first start. Now, you must be thinking, but Mike, doesn't regular oil also create a protective film? Yes, it does, but it's not that ultra-resistant protection you need. Premium oils like Mobil 1 or Pennzoil Ultra that cost around $10 to $12 per quart already come with better tungsten anti-wear additives. But if you use regular, conventional oil that costs $7 or $8, that protection is pretty basic, and the metal conditioner with graphene comes precisely to reinforce that protection aggressively. Now let me show you how I can truly measure if it's reducing wear, and you're going to be impressed with what I'm about to reveal. Folks, here on my Civic, I have a huge advantage for this test. The camshaft position sensor is well exposed here on the valve cover, and it's magnetic. This means that with each oil change, I check the amount of metal shavings that stick to the sensor tip. And since I started using metal conditioners, the amount of shavings has decreased with each change. This is real physical evidence that wear is being reduced. Impossible to have zero wear, right folks? But significantly reducing it is totally possible. Comment down below if you do oil changes every 5,000 miles, because that's fundamental for this test to work. Now I'm going to show you where I noticed that graphene really made a difference in consumption. And look what happened when I compared consumption before and after, and this will surprise a lot of people. Man, I drive the same route every day, so I know the car's behavior perfectly. Always with air conditioning on, always on the same route. In the morning, when I leave early at 6 and there's light traffic, the improvement in consumption was visible on the trip computer. Before, I was getting 28.5 miles per gallon. After graphene, it went up to 32 miles per gallon. That's an improvement of almost 12%, folks. And in the afternoon, when I return in heavy rush hour traffic, there was also improvement. Before, I was getting 24 miles per gallon. After, it went to 26.3 miles per gallon. Now let me break down the real savings for you. I drive about 1,000 miles per month, which is pretty average. With gas at $3.50 per gallon, I was spending around $123 monthly. After the graphene, that dropped to $109.
That's a savings of $14 per month just on my daily commute. But here's the kicker.
If you drive more like 1,500 miles per month for work or long commutes, you could easily save $25 to $30 monthly. And this is just observing on the car's trip computer running exclusively on regular unleaded gasoline. I didn't use any fuel additives so as not to mask the result, only the metal conditioner with graphene. Leave a like if you're enjoying the test and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next videos. Now, something that generated a lot of controversy in the comments of the last video, and what I'm going to reveal now about graphene composition will end all doubts. Many people said it's not possible to have graphene in the composition because it's a very expensive material. Folks, if it's written on the package that it contains graphene and antioxidants, there must be some amount, even if small. The chemical industry cannot lie about product composition. Look, this conditioner here is the only one that comes in a 2-ounce bottle and treats up to 5 quarts of oil. All the others, like this one here, come with 8 ounces. This shows it's extremely concentrated. A single 2-ounce application is enough to treat the entire lubrication system. And what's my final verdict after 200 miles driven? Of the metal conditioners I've tested so far, these two are definitely the best. This one from a national brand and this imported one with graphene. But the graphene has a better cost-benefit because it costs $28 and delivers results very similar to the one that costs $55. The engine really becomes quieter, more fluid. You feel the difference in drivability. Throttle response becomes faster and smoothness in gear shifts improves considerably. This is exactly what a good metal conditioner with graphene should do. Reduce internal engine friction and protect parts against premature wear. Comment down below if you've already used any metal conditioner and what your experience was. Now folks, the definitive test will be in 5,000 miles at the next oil change. I'm going to check the camshaft position sensor again and compare the amount of metal shaving stuck to it. If it decreases even more, it will be definitive proof that it's reducing engine wear. And I'll also measure fuel consumption again to see if it continues at this average. So folks, here's my final evaluation. Product approved. It really works and I recommend it, especially if you use regular conventional oil. The metal conditioner with graphene will give that extra protection your engine needs. I'll leave the link in the description of where I bought it so you can get it too. And if you like this content, leave that awesome like. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bells. Share with that friend who's always looking for ways to save on fuel. Comment down below which metal conditioner you want me to test next. A big hug and see you in the next video.